Hello and welcome to lecture 7 in this crash course. So in the very course, I'm going to be showing you how to remove noise from video and audio. Like you can see on the timeline already, I already have this cute video with this fine lady in it already. And I observed there's a lot of noise in this video and I wanted to get it out. So I'm just going to play a little part of this video for you to see just before I apply the noise reduction effect on it using Capcut PC. It's an AI feature which is really good and it works super well. So let me play it for you so that you can see it for yourself.
Guys, it's December period. Everyone is out and I'm going to do something today.
And now it's time for us to reduce noise. Remember, you don't want to overshoot it, you don't want to overdo it, you just want to do it minimally so that the noise is reduced. Remember, I showed you how to add background music. If you reduce the noise and you apply background music to this video, it becomes professional here. So let's add background music. So we're going to go to audio. Okay, you can do this for both your audio, you can do it for video and all. So let's just go and we'll scroll down to where we say noise, reduce noise. Okay, you just want to click on that button, and once you click on that button, it's going to go out and reduce noise. And if we go over and play it again, it's going to sound better than what it was already. So let's try it and see.
What do you say?
Okay, so let's play from beginning.
Guys, it's December period. Everyone is out.
It only keeps the voice in the video. Not so much. Yes, not so much. You can actually do more. Right? You can actually do more. You can actually go over, go down, scroll down to enhance voice. Okay, once you enhance the voice, it reduces the noise. As you can see, it's processing 20%. Once that is done, it will reduce and enhance our voice and it will sound better. Trust me, it's going to sound far better than what is sounding right now. And you're going to notice the difference from the two. Okay, remember I played it at the beginning for you how it sounded. I'm going to go over once it's done processing. I'm going to go over and play it from the beginning again so that you can listen for yourself and see if it works or if it's something you want to try out. I'm just showing you is a feature you can use on Capcut without going out of that.
Guys, it's December period. Everyone is out and I'm going to do something today. I'm going to go out and meet people and make their Christmas good. So I don't know who I'm going to see. I don't know who I'm going to meet today. I really don't know who I'm going to meet today, but I'll be glad to help them. I'll be so glad.
So you can see, yes, there are still other voices in the background, but then our voice is more enhanced now and she sounds better. I hope you enjoyed that lecture. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to auto caption. So let's go make that lecture worthwhile. See you and thanks for watching this one. Stay blessed.